And what's gonna happen when you drop to -10, you go to the hospital and they just give you a quick fix? You may go up to -5 and you're gonna drop to -10, and you're gonna continue dropping if you continue the same cycle until your body gets up. So you need to get your health. Go exercise, eat healthy, exercise, eat healthy, exercise, eat healthy, exercise, eat healthy. Do it all the time. That's maintenance, that's maintenance, that's maintenance. And guess what's gonna happen when you get a cold? Or when you eat for any reason the wrong food? Or when you get injured? You think you're gonna drop all the way to -10? No, because you've been actually taking care of your health. You might drop to +5, to +4. But guess what? You're gonna navigate that, and then as soon as you start maintaining it and continue, when you get out of that problem, you're gonna go to +10. So that